In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Docs resume. You can build a polished resume in minutes, and we'll focus on the easiest approach, using a free Google Docs template. You can always create one from scratch later, but templates give you a clean structure and save time. Start by opening Google Docs and signing in to your Google account. At the top of the page, click Template Gallery. Scroll down until you see the Resume section. You'll find several styles to choose from, including Swiss, Serif, Coral, Spearmint, and Modern Writer. Pick the design that feels right for your industry and personality while still looking professional. Once your template opens, replace the sample text with your own information. Begin with the header. Add your full name so it stands out, followed by your phone number and a professional email address. If you have one, you can include your LinkedIn profile as an optional touch. Below that, write a brief professional summary. Aim for 2 to 3 sentences that highlight your experience and goals. For example, you might say, customer service representative with 3 years of experience helping clients and solving problems efficiently. Keep it specific, positive, and tailored to the jobs you're targeting. Add a skills section to showcase your strengths. You can include items like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, communication, video editing, or customer support. Choose skills that match the roles you're applying for and use the same keywords you see in the job description. Next, fill in your work experience. For each role, list your job title, the company name, the dates you worked there, and a few key achievements. Focus on results and impact, not just responsibilities. Then add your education, including the school name, your degree or course, and your graduation year. If you have relevant certifications, include those as well. A few quick tips will take your resume from good to great. Keep it to 1 page if possible, especially early in your career. Stick to simple fonts like Arial or Calibri for readability. Avoid too many colors or graphics since many employers use applicant tracking systems and simple ATS-friendly layouts tend to work best. If you need extra guidance using templates, the official Google Docs Templates help is a useful reference. When you're finished, click File, then Download. Choose PDF document for most job applications, or select Microsoft Word if a specific employer requests a docx file. Save a copy, review it for typos, and you're ready to apply with confidence.